This is an example of how to write an algebraic expression based on a real-world situation. Gabby is selling eggs at the market. She starts with 275 eggs. Each hour, she sells 36 eggs. We don't know how many hours she is at the market for. In this situation, we know that Gabby is going to be starting with 275 eggs. This is not a number that will change. That is what she starts with. There's no variability there. We also know that she sells 36 eggs every hour. We don't know how many hours she's at the store for. So when we write this expression, we know we're starting with 275 eggs. Each hour, she sells a certain number of eggs. So selling tells us that we are going to subtract. So we're taking away 36 eggs every hour, but we don't know how many hours she's at the market for. When we don't know something, that is our variable, that is our letter. So we are going to use H in this case for the unknown number of hours that she's at the market for. So our expression is 275 minus 36H. We could also flip this around and keep the sign for 36H. So negative 36H represents that we are losing taking away 36 eggs every hour, and the 275 stays positive. These would be the same thing. So what we're looking for is an expression where the 275 stands alone, it is the constant, where our 36 is our coefficient, it is next to the variable, and where our variable represents the number of hours that Gabby will be at the market selling eggs for.